Okay, I'll start my class for today then. So my question is, what is a variable? Okay, I'll just show you, present the screen. So this is the basic startup program, like where you want to do the programming in Microbit. This is the page, right? The default one, where onStart will be there, forever will be already defaultly, it will be there on the screen. And here we have some these things like options we have, right? So in this one, in basic we have some options like see show number, let's show edit, all the things. In input also we have something like if buttons are there A and B in the microbit, if you want to select them in, like if you want to use them, you can use from this options you have here. Okay, in the same input we have more options also inside of that one only, that can be found in after the input mode. Okay, the music we have these things. Did we done anything with the this thing with music?
Yes, sir.
What is the model name?
Sir, music player.
Okay, that's a music player, right? Okay, and here we have LED. That means if you want to show anything like X and Y graphs in that one, we can. Okay, I'll explain this one about this one later. Okay, so using the radio also we have done something, right? What is that model names?
Sir, radio receiver and sender we have done.
Yes, like messenger we have done something, right? Like with two devices, one have to send the message and another one have to receive the message. In that way we have done something. So in that one also we have more options. Those are extra. And after that loop. Loop means I think everyone knows, like repeat options, while options. These things we have already learned in the Scratch software, right? These are the basic things. The logics also, those are just nothing but if else, just the options. And the next one is variables. So see here, there's nothing here. There's nothing. Previously, Tarun have shown a project, right? Previously, Tarun have shown a project, like a compass he made, some project. So in that one, he used a variable, right? What is the variable name, Tarun? Tarun, what is the variable name you have used in your project? Can you hear me, Tarun?
Yes, sir, I can hear.
Yeah, I'm asking which variable, what is the variable name you have used?
Sir, I have forgotten.
You have used direction variable, right? Variables are nothing. Okay, see here in the basic, what is the option you have here? Show number 0. What is the use of this one? See, you got the description of that one also. Scroll a number on the screen if the number fits on the screen. Okay, that means if if you have given anything, any number, that will be showed here in the microbit. Okay, it is a default one, it is already created. Okay, so in this way we have a lot of options, we have. But there is one thing, like you want to create your own personality, like you want to create something on your own which have to work as per your requirement. Okay, which have to work as per your requirement. Tarun, I'm just mute. Can you mute your mic, Tarun? Okay, so in everything, in basic input, music, LED, radio, in these all the things, what are there means everything are inbuilt. Like this one we will be using for receiving the string, receiving the radio signal. Okay, the upper one, radio send string, means if you want to send a message, like if it has to send some message which have to be received by something else, it is already inbuilt. That's why you're using this one. But I want to create one thing, like I want to create a message. Okay, I want to create a message that have to be sent or else that have to be used in different places. Okay, that have to be used in different places. So previously in the project, what he have done, like he created a direction thing with the name direction. It's your wish, whatever the name you want to give, you can give. Okay, see, after I have created with the direction name, what are the options I got? The first one is direction. Okay, and the next one is set direction to some value. Okay, set direction to some value. That is the second option. And the next one is change direction by 1. Change direction by 1. If you create some other thing, like if you create some thing like a change, then that one will be also created, and the same thing will be also getting the same options. But here you can see set change. If I took this one and if I have connected this one here, what are the variables I have created? Those things I can see here. Change I have created, direction I have created. If you want to create any new variable, any new example, you can create that one. Okay, so you can just take it like an example which will be used in different places. Okay, so previously in Tarun's program, what he have done means he used a direction. He created a direction block, and with that direction block, what he have done is he's checking every direction, like a 45 angle, a 45 degrees angle, or else 180 degrees angle, or else 270, or else 360. So these all are angles, right? In the same direction option, he needs these all the things have to be fitted. Okay, so there is no other option. See, in this microbit, if everything have to be checked, if everything like it is if it is in the 45 degrees, or else if it is in the another degrees position, for that one we don't have any options. Like in one program we can't give for the 4 directions. See, if you are playing a remote control car, what are the options you will be having? One switch will be for the right and left, and another one will be for the up and down, right? These are different ways, like for rotating right or left you have to use different key, and for moving front or back you have to use different key in remote control cars. But that is an hardware, that's why we will be having some options. But here it's a software, we will not be having any other options for that one. Okay, so now I just want to show you some program which will be known as step counter. Okay, it is known as step counter. Like anyone know, or does anyone know what is a step counter, what it will do? Can anyone
Sir,
explain?
already ma'am have explained us about step counter in the last class, sir.
Okay, step counter has been completed, and before that one, before that class, what ma'am explained?
In the last class only she explained two programming, sir, compass and step counter.
Okay, just wait a minute. Okay, can anyone explain step counter program, like doing now?
Yes, sir, I have already done it.
Okay, can you explain it?
Sir, I have also
Yes,
done.
sir.
Just show your screen and complete it in the 5 minutes.
Sir, can you see it?
Yes, I can see.
Okay, sir. Here we made a step counter, like whenever we step on one step, then it changes the count to 1. First, we took the onStart block and we have made a variable set step to 0. We did not start walking or did not take any steps, so it is showing 0. But when we are taking a step, that means when button A is pressed, then the counting will change to 10. It will show the number step, means how many steps we are taking, it will increase the number.
Sir, I have also done that programming.
I actually need the explanation of program clearly. Okay. Tarun, will you tell?
1 minute. Sir. So, are you able to see? Sir,
Yes, yes. I will see.
so this one, sir.
Okay,
This
can you
one
explain it
has
a little clearly?
so this one it works when we walk. It will be moving the sensor. If we keep a sensor, it will be moving so that the on shake will be pressed. So whenever it will be pressed, if this is there. So when we are running or walking, if we keep a sensor to a microbit, it just presses automatically this button and it automatically counts the steps.
Okay.
So for
So
that,
whenever it shakes, it will be counted, right?
yes, sir. We can change this one or with another one also.
Okay.
Like this.
I just wanted to tell you that wanted to explain about this one, like variables, why we will be creating some variables. Okay. So the same program I'll explain once again within like 5 or 10 minutes, then we'll go for the next program. Okay. So variable means why we will be creating some variable. Like for step counter, what is the name you have been used? What is the name that you have used for that one? Step, right? Okay, I'll not use any step.
Sir,
I'll use the same change. Okay, I'll use the same change option. So after that, what I'll do means we'll come from the starting. Okay, so first what we have to do means I have to take on shake. That means just think if there is a microbit which have to be used like a step counter, what you have to do, you have to tie it to your leg or else to your hand. It's your wish. You have to make it like a watch and you have to tie it, right? So after that you can take on shake. When it has to check the values like are you moving or not, when the microbit have been changed, like when the microbit have been shaked. If you have tied it to your leg and you're walking, the microbit will be shaking, right? So at that time So that's why we will be taking this on shake option. So after that, what we will do means we will go to the variable. What are the options we have? After I have created a change variable, I got set change to 0 and change, like change by 1. Okay. So what I'll do means I'll take this change by 1. Why? Like on shake change by 1 means what it means. Can anyone tell? Okay, here it will be confusing. I'll use this one or else direction. I'll create one more. That only I'll create. So we'll take change step by 1. Why we took step change by and there is a number 1? Why there is only 1? Can anyone tell?
Sir, because when we are starting, we always start with 1 and then the number increases.
Okay, so whenever it shakes, whatever the number it can be here, it can be 10 or 11. It's that's actually whenever it shakes, the number have to change. At what has to change? At what place it has to change? Like whenever we shake the microbit, it has to increase by 1. Okay, just think about this one. Like you have one bottle. Just take an example of 3 members, and 3 people are having three bottles individually. They have one bottle. Okay, so the first person who drank all the water, so the second person will be having the water bottle, right? The full water bottle he will be having, and the third person also will be having the full water bottle. So if the first person drinks all the water, the water bottle will be emptied only for the with the first member only. The water bottle will not be emptied for the second person or the third person, right? But it's not the case here. When it's shaking, the number is increasing by 1, but every time it has to save. If I just give this on shake change step by 1 means it will not take that one. Like it will not save anything inside of that one. So that's why we have to take like forever in the forever, like every time. Now just take an example of number 1. After shaking this microbit, it will be changed to number 2, right? And that one have to be changed. That one have to be saved. That one have to be saved in something. Where it has to save? Can anyone tell where the changed number have to be saved?
Sir,
Changed number. Yeah, someone is telling. Okay, where the changed number have to save means, see here. The number have to change here. See, like in forever, there is a show number and there is a 0. What I'll do means I will take step to here. So every time it shakes, it will be changed by 1. It will be changed by 1 and it will be saved again into this step only. So every time it saves, wherever I have used the step option, there the data will be changed. Okay, like just think about this one. In Facebook, I have uploaded a picture. Okay, that one will be shared to everyone, like whoever my friends, they all can see in their mobile phones also, right? But in the same way, I have a phone gallery. Like in my phone, I have a gallery. In that one, if I change, in that one, if I save the picture, can my friends see from their mobiles? No, they can't see, because in whatever saves in my mobile, they can't see. The other people can't see that one. But if I upload the same thing in Facebook or else any social media website, that can be seen by my friends or else any other members are there, they can see that one. Okay, so here also the same thing. Every time it's changing, that one have to be saved into this step. If it's not saving, what will happen? Every time the number will be same here. Just see, I have just removed this one here, like there is no yeah, here it is a step. If I don't use change step by one, then the number will not be changing here every time. Okay, so we'll just start this one. I'll just shake this one. Is it working or not? We'll see. It's working. Okay, when I shake this one, the number is increasing. Like when how many times if I move my leg that many times, it will be shaking and the value will be increasing. So I have one more doubt. After I stop, like this one have been shut down. Like I have off this one. Okay, I've just off this one. Then again it will. Then after that, if I again start the same, what will happen? If I start, it will be just starting from the same number, like 6 or 7 only. It has to be refreshed, like it has to be started again every time. So for that one, what I will do means I'll just take this one in this set step to 0 on start. Whenever it starts, whenever the program or else whenever the microbit starts, the number have to be started from 0. Okay. Whenever I start the microbit, it has to start from 0. That's why on start, the number of step have to set to 0. Okay. So this one we have already done. I just wanted to tell you about the variables, why we will be using this step everywhere. Okay. So here if I use the direction and if here I use step and if I use here step, will the program work? Will the program work?
No, sir.
Because every place what is the variable I have created, same variable have to be placed. Okay, in between if leave this only on start. In this two, if I change any variable in one and if I don't change in another one, then the program will not work. Okay, so if this is and I can just get this one now. So we'll do some other program. If anyone have any ideas, like if you want to do something, you can ask me. We will try that program. Or else if I have to explain my own programming, I can explain that too also. Okay, which one do you want to do? Do you have any ideas or any model? I'm asking a question, guys. Can't you answer?
Sir, can we try making a bit programming?
Bit programming. Can you explain it clearly, like what a bit programming will be?
No, sir, a big one, like a automatic house constructor.
Automatic house constructor. Yeah, we can try, but not with this one, not with this microbit. Automatic constructor means like a robot you want to make.
Yes, sir,
What's
but
your,
not
yeah.
morely like a robot, just the programming, sir. Whenever we insert a chip, then it should work, that type.
Okay, actually, okay, that's a good question, but it not depends on the model. Okay, yeah, it actually depends on the model also. If you have done some program like for a block, this one have to be done like a you have to mention something, right? Humans are
Yes, sir.
different. We have 2 hands, 2 legs, one head, and these are okay. But if you have created a robot, okay, if you have created a robot for that one, the program if you want to make, you can make. That means like you can mention right hand as A and the left hand as B, and the right leg can be C and the left leg can be D. Okay, that's
Okay,
okay.
sir.
That's not a problem. You can give some ideas also, like for bringing a water bottle, C and D have to continuously move. Means legs have to move, and A have to. That means right hand have to catch the bottle. Like that, you can give. I will make a robot differently. Okay, in that one, I will give like right leg as A, left leg as B, and hands as C and D. Then your program will not work for my robot, right? Will it work?
No, sir, it will not.
Why it will not work means your program, like
Programming
based
is
on
in.
your model, yes,
Yes,
based on your model, A and B are hands, C and D are
it's not in
legs.
your model, so it will not work.
Yes, so what I'm telling is based on the model, based on the hardware model only, we can design some program also. Okay, if you just create a program without the hardware, it will be difficult after creating a hardware also. Let's take an example of your mobile phones. Like we have a different type of companies, right? Like Samsung is there, Apple is there, or else MI. So all the things are there, right? MI software is different. See the view of the apps, or else the working, the call apping, the calling app. These all the things are different. And in Samsung, it will be different. And in some other mobile phone, it will be different, right? Because
Yes, sir.
their individuality is different. Like they have wanted to do something, that's why they have given something else. Okay, so it will not be working with our software what we make.
Okay, sir.
So yeah, that's not a problem. That's a good idea only. I'm not telling that it's bad idea. Okay. So what I do means I'll just show you like not only microbit, we have a lot of things, right? We have already discussed about this one. Not only microbit. Microbit, who created this microbit website? Does anyone have any idea? Who created this microbit?
Sir, the Microsoft member, sir.
Okay, Microsoft members have created. Did they created only this one or else did they created any other one?
Sir, can you say it once again?
Like they have created this microbit, right? Microsoft people. Did
Yes,
they
sir.
created only microbit or else did they created any other thing?
They created other ones also, sir, like and some others also, sir.
Okay. Like what? So you can see the screen, right? They have created the microbit. They didn't create the microbit actually. Okay, the microbit is a different chip. Okay, that will be available outside. So what they did means, if the chip is high cost, like around 4 to 5 thousand, it means. So everyone can't buy that much, right? By paying that much money, everyone they can't buy everything. So that's why what he did means he just took the permission from the makers of the microbit and he made it virtually. Like what is the process? What they can do with a physical one? The same if they want to do with a virtual one. That means software thing. They can try. That's why they have took the permission from these all the peoples. See, Circuit Playground Express. This is also some kind of microbit only, but a little advanced. Okay. And the next one is Minecraft. I think everyone knows what is Minecraft. This is a Minecraft. So a little different only. But why we will be using this Minecraft means for making games. Okay. A simple games if you want to make. Like we did. Did you done any projects, any games by using Scratch?
Sir,
Yes.
we can make rock, paper, scissors programming also, sir.
Yeah, we can make. Not only rock paper scissors. Here you can see a lot of like inbuilt one will be there, or else if anyone wants to do their own programming, see here they will do their own programming and they will update also. You can also do this one.
Yes,
You
sir.
can also create one game and you can also update your video into this one. Okay. So not only Minecraft, this one also we have here. Lego Mindstorms EV3. Okay, I think we had an introduction class about this one, right? About EV3, EV3. We had an introduction class about EV3. I'm asking.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
We
sir.
had
Yes, sir. We have.
So after that, did anyone tried like
Yes, sir.
did
I
anyone
tried.
tried?
Yes, sir.
Did it? What did you do?
I also tried it, sir.
I'm asking. What did you do? With this one?
I made a like a jumping man like thing, sir, but it got deleted when I changed my Chrome tab user name.
Okay. So that will be also if we have a
Sir,
physical one. If we have a physical EV3, what we can do? We can make a different kind of models with the parts we have. Okay,
Yes,
we can
sir.
attach motors, we can attach some sensors to that, and we can do. But virtually see the options here we have. It doesn't have anything to build. It doesn't have the flexibility. That means like making a physical one, like a toy. We can make a physical one. But here we can't do anything. Just see, you have to take these bricks like sensors, on touch. You just take this one and attach. Then only you will be getting the options.
Yes, sir.
And that too, we can do a simple programs like that sensor is pressed, another motor is rotating, or else if there is a color sensor, it's detecting some colors. That's it. We can't make something like a car, and we can't use that one. Okay. So I think you have exams, right, from next week.
Yes, sir.
yes,
So
sir.
when you have the exams,
Sir, from next Friday
From
to 14th.
from next Friday to
14th.
okay. So it's not a problem. I thought ma'am didn't explain the program. That's why I have started that one. Okay. So for this class, that's it. And next week we have the class. What happened, Jayesh? I think he is very disappointed. So from 7th to 15th, right? From
From
when
7th
to
to 14th, sir. 14th is our last exam.
okay, so next week also we will not be having the class. Okay, because we can't study you at that time. That's why we'll not be having any class next week. And after that, we will see. If you have any exam, then we'll not take. If the exam completes, then we will start again. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So, and strength is also very less today, right? Only 9 means
Seven
only
members,
seven
sir.
people. 7 people have attended. Why the strength is decreasing every week?
Sir, most of the members last week, the names which ma'am have said who are going to present this week, those all did not come in this class, sir.
That's the problem we will be having. Like if we say something to do
Sir,
work, they will just skip
I
that
came, sir.
next class. Who's that?
Navadip, sir.
Yeah, you came now, Deep. But
Yes, sir.
I asked you, right? If anyone wants to explain something, you can explain.
He came in the
But
middle of the class, sir, so he did not got a chance to present. Yes,
okay,
sir. My
if you want to
network.
present it, okay, that's not a problem. If you want to present it now, you can present. Do you want to present?
No, sir, net is slow, sir. Current is going into.
Okay,
Sir,
okay.
I can present, sir.
Who is that?
Sir, my name is K. Lakshmi Shita. Ma'am told to make me also, ma'am, sir.
Okay, okay. Just wait a minute. I'll just take the attendance. After that, you can explain. Okay.
Okay, sir.